Let's begin our prayer for peace. From your own inner experience, expand your awareness. Expand your awareness to include your home, your neighborhood, the area that you live in, your community, expanding to your country and the whole world. Pausing again to recognize that as we are individualized drops of spirit, we are pure consciousness. So is everyone else. In your own way, see or imagine the 8 billion people on the planet, each of them awake to their true essence inside. If there are specific people that you want to pray for, see them in your mind's eye, either individually or collectively. We don't pray for a specific outcome. We don't necessarily know what is best, but just see them healthy and happy, at peace. And now for yourself. Peace begins in your own mind, in your own heart. Turn the same care and the same love inward. Share the same vision for peace and health and happiness and total well-being. And now be specific. What does that look like today? How will you go through the day? Is there anything ahead of you that you want to mentally rehearse? See yourself going through that part of your day, showing up like someone who meditated and prayed for peace in the morning. Thank you for pausing today to share this intention of peace in our own lives and in the wider world. Namaste.